Heartfelt quotes that celebrate the universal power of love. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. Aristotle. Where there is love, there is life. Mahatma Gandhi. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Audrey Hepburn. Love is not about possession. Love is about appreciation. Osho. In the end, the love you take is equal to the love you make. Paul McCartney. Reflect on love's meaning in your life today.
Heartfelt quotes celebrating the bonds of family and relatives. Family is not an important thing, it's everything that shapes our lives. The love of a family is life's greatest blessing, a treasure that lasts forever. Relatives are the ones who support us through thick and thin, always by our side. Family is the anchor that holds us through life's storms, providing love and strength. Reflect on your family ties and cherish those connections.
Powerful quotes that celebrate the bond of family and blood relatives. Family is not an important thing, it's everything. Michael J. Fox. The love of family is life's greatest blessing, bringing warmth and support to our journeys. In family life, love is the oil that eases friction, the cement that binds us together. Blood makes you related, but loyalty makes you family. Cherish those who stand by you. Family is the compass that guides us, their love and support shape our lives and dreams. Reflect on your family bonds and cherish those connections.
Heartfelt quotes to celebrate the love for our husbands. A husband is not just a partner, he's a best friend who holds your heart. In every moment shared, love deepens, creating memories that last a lifetime together. Husbands bring warmth to our lives, turning ordinary days into extraordinary adventures. A true partner supports your dreams and stands by you through every challenge. Cherish the little moments, they are the threads that weave the fabric of love. Share your favorite quotes about your husband with us.
Celebrating wives, heartfelt quotes that inspire love and strength. A wife is not just a partner, but the heart of the family, nurturing love and unity. Behind every strong man, there is an even stronger woman, lifting him higher every day. A wife's love is a treasure, offering support and encouragement through life's challenges. In her smile, you find home, in her embrace, you find strength and unwavering support. Share your favorite quote about wives in the comments.
Heartwarming quotes celebrating the unique bond between parents and sons. A son is a lifetime joy, bringing laughter and love into every moment spent together. The bond between a parent and son is a treasure, filled with shared dreams and memories. Sons teach us resilience, reminding us to embrace challenges with courage and laughter. In every hug and smile, a son brings warmth, illuminating the path of parenthood with joy. Join us in celebrating the love for our sons.
Heartwarming quotes celebrating the bond between parents and daughters. A daughter is one of the most beautiful gifts this world has to give. Raising a daughter is like watching a flower bloom, each petal reveals her beauty. Empowered daughters grow into strong women, shaping the world with their kindness and courage. The bond between a parent and daughter is a treasure that lasts a lifetime. Share your favorite quote about daughters in the comments.
Heartfelt quotes celebrating the unbreakable bond between mothers and children. A mother's love is the fuel that enables a normal human being to do the impossible. This quote highlights the incredible strength mothers provide, inspiring their children to achieve greatness. Mothers hold their children's hands for a short while but their hearts forever. It emphasizes the lasting impact of a mother's love throughout a child's life. A mother's hug lasts long after she lets go, symbolizing the emotional comfort she offers. Cherish your mother and share your favorite quote about her.
Heartfelt quotes celebrating the unbreakable bond between fathers and children. A father's love is forever imprinted on our hearts, guiding us through life's challenges. Dad, a son's first hero and a daughter's first love, embodying strength and compassion. Fathers teach us the value of hard work, instilling determination and resilience in our lives. In the embrace of a father, we find comfort and security, creating lasting memories together. Celebrate fatherhood by sharing these quotes with loved ones.
Inspiring quotes that celebrate the magic of books and reading. Books open doors to new worlds, allowing us to explore the depths of imagination. Reading nurtures our minds, providing knowledge and wisdom that shape our character. Each book is a journey, every page turned is a step into a different reality. Literature connects us, bridging gaps between cultures and fostering understanding among people. Embrace the magic of reading, subscribe for more literary inspiration. Reflecting on endings, powerful quotes to inspire contemplation. Every ending is a new beginning waiting to unfold its potential. In the tapestry of life, endings are just threads intertwined with new colors. Embrace endings, they are the catalysts for growth and transformation. Life's greatest lessons often come from the endings we fear the most. Join us for more inspiring insights and reflections.